So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign we go about looking at how we can increase the iPhone ringing volume. So this is to do with the volume of your ringtone, and if your iPhone has not been ringing loud, let's look at a few steps that you can do. Firstly, tap on settings. So here scroll down until you see sound and haptics. Now if you look here where it says ringers and alerts, there is a slider, and if you slide to the right it means the ringer volume will increase, and if you take it to the left it will mean that the ringer volume is getting decreased. So it basically allows you to adjust the ringer volume. So I will take it to the right to the highest levels. Now it's also been noted that if you change the ringtone in itself, it's quite possible that a different sounding ringtone may ring a little louder. So I can change it to say radar, something like that. You can play with it and you can see what works for you. I will also advise keeping this turn to on change with buttons, because if you do that then you use the volume up button. So this will actually help you increase and decrease the ringtone volume. So you can do that with volume up and volume down buttons if you keep the change with button settings turned to on. Now a few people have been saying that the phone isn't ringing. If that's the case with you, what I will advise is simply checking whether the phone is not turned on aeroplane mode, because if it's turned on flight mode, you obviously know that the network is disabled and no calls or nothing will come. Also, it's important that the phone is not on vibrate mode, so ensure that the ringtone volume is turned to the highest. Another thing is that the focus mode should not be on, that is do not disturb, and all those settings should not be turned on, because it's quite obvious if you have turned do not disturb, it means you don't want to be disturbed, and therefore all incoming calls get silenced, which means that even if the ringer tone has been turned to the highest levels, because do not disturb mode has been turned on, it should not work. So that's a few things that you can do. I will just repeat. You went to settings, you went to sound and haptics, and you took this extender to the highest levels so that the ringtone volume would ring really loud. Now next time when somebody calls you, the phone should ring loud. So guys, I hope today's tutorial helped you. If it does, kindly consider subscribing, and please do share this with your friends and family. It would mean a lot to me. And also do let us know if you are facing any issues on your iPhone, Samsung, or any other phone. We'll try solving and troubleshooting those issues. Thank you.